Radley bags. Hello, it's Rosebud. Today I will be revealing my new Radley London bag, which I'm a huge fan of. The Radley bags they're made basically to last and look very stylish, and it doesn't go out of fashion. So this is the bag you get when you buy one of these bags. So let's get it out of the bag. It's nicely wrapped up. So let's reveal what we have. Radley bags are more popular in the UK, less so in America, I believe. And here is the correct pebble red over the shoulder leather bag. On the front of the bag you have the Radley logo, a Yorkshire Terrier dog. It's 100% leather and this is a medium size. It's a classic crossbody bag, first designed in 1998. I decided to go for a less smooth leather. As you can see, it's pebbled, as I find scratches show up more on smooth leather. So I decided to go for the pebbled look this time. It has adjustable straps that you wear over the shoulder, which I just love. It means both of my hands are free, and because it's strapped on your body, you won't lose it or leave it on the train or wherever. It's even less likely to get snatched as well. So I love bags that are over the body, crossbody. Yes, so I love it. This is my ideal bag. So I've had many of these over the years. Yeah, over the years I've bought many different colours. Very strong, durable, and they do last as well. Unlike other bags where the handle breaks off and it doesn't look as stylish, so I do prefer the Radley style bags as they're made to last. This bag has a zip around base, and if you unzip that it will expand the bag even more, and it also has many pockets as well. You have a large front pocket and a really small pocket to keep your bits and pieces, and it's all trimmed as well. You have a back zipper pocket which goes the full length of the bag, and inside the bag you have two further pockets where you can keep your purse or your mobile phone, makeup, etc. And you have a large compartment in there as well. So you've got enough space to keep all your essential items basically. So on this side you have an interior zipper pocket, and in there, and there's a logo of the dog as well. In there on the other side you have a more larger zip pocket. So now you know why this bag was originally called Pockets. So let me demonstrate how it looks on. The strap is a bit too long for me. I'm only 5'6". Let me just adjust that to size. The strap is very comfortable on my shoulders. The strap at the front is wide, allowing it to sit against your body without digging into you. It's very comfortable. It comes in many different colours as well. I decided to get the claret red colour, as I've never bought that particular colour before. I think it works great against black, if you've got a black coat. Yeah, so I decided to go for this colour to get me through the autumn and winter season. It looks great against my black Mac, would also look great against grey or navy blue. The original price is £125, which is a bit pricey, but for that you get the head, tail, the whole damn thing. You do pay for the quality, don't you? I'm now going to show you what it would look like with items inside. So here I have my wallet, mobile phone, a pair of sunglasses, and not forgetting your lipstick, a mirror. And so I'm just going to pop all them items in there. And even though the bag is really slim, it still is able to hold all your essential items without looking too bulky. And look, you can even unzip this around the bag to allow even more room inside, should you need to. Radley are best at making crossover bags. They are sleek, slim and stylish, as you can see. Okay, that's it for now. This has been Rosebud showing you my new Radley Claret Red crossover bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of more videos I've got lined up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.